On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday. Will Trump taco? Will this ever get resolved? Is the stock market still going to bleed out? Choppy Monday. Back into the office we go. Let's see what we get today. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. All right, so we had a debate yesterday about what's the best. You like my new hat? New Otter Gang merch, man. OG. All right. Not bad. About the best, the only, the best ice cream, man. What do you guys think? What's going on, George? Good to see you, man. Gang, baby. Bitcoin breaking down right now. NASDAQ rolling over as well. Phew. Everything looking ugly. NASDAQ continues to bleed, man. I don't know what happened yesterday. I mean, look at this. Sideways. And it actually makes that noise when it dumps. Did it. And failing to push here. Trying to, a little slap back down. Might get going here into VWAP. We'll see. Solana, my God. Solana, come on, baby. What you doing down here? Anyways, we'll see what we get today. Interesting market we have, don't we? Nadeem, what's going on? Good to see you, man. How you doing, Ghost of Odyssey? Good morning. Good morning. Mob the Great. Let's see if we can get 100 likes before Alex starts. Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. I can check. We got 30 likes. Thank you, Mob. Hopefully you're doing well. I sent you that giveaway money as well. Hopefully you got that. Congratulations on the swear jar giveaway. Nero, what's going on? I'm sorry it took me all weekend to get it to you. I mean, I don't typically jump on doing that kind of stuff until a week. What's going on, C? M? Good morning, Nadeem. Good morning, guys. Good to see you, Geronimo. Good morning. Potential pushback here. This looks like it might want to get going here. Can we bounce on the NASDAQ? Sweep of the lows, bounce and go. Sweep of the lows, bounce and go. Yeesh, tempting. Tempting, not in a key area. I mean, I would prefer to sweep the lows in here, if we're being real. But preference doesn't really matter in this environment. That's how it's spelt. Breaking down. Clear rollover. 3 drives up at the highs. Rollover down here for Soy Boy Lana as well. So not looking too hot. 3 drives up here. Break down. Retest. Continuation down. So expectation order flow is to come for the liquidity of the low in here. Yeah, it's been hella choppy. I mean, I got chopped up yesterday. I had a red day. I think I was down. How much am I down? 1,000? $1,100. I battled back though. I was down 3,000 yesterday. I don't know what I was doing. I got chopped yesterday, but I always show you guys, I mean, trading's not easy, man. Trading's not easy. It's especially in this environment. What's that N doing in environment? It's environment, not runment. Anyways, so not a bad day, a losing day for me yesterday. Loser, lay who, say her. But you got to be a good loser in this game, which a lot of people struggle with. A lot of people I coach, it's always like, oh, how do I do this? Or I'm down today. It's like, when you're down, you gotta have rules around being down, and that's how you mitigate. I guess you don't mitigate it, but you definitely make it less painful by taking the lump, right? If you're down, whatever. I was down 3K. I have a rule that if I take 2 more losses, I'm done, right? I was down to 1 more loss, and I battled back, and I made a couple good trades. But I'm willing at that point, if I take another loss, to be down whatever, $3,300 or $3,500 for the day, and that's it. Shut it down. Go spend time with my family. There's always another day to trade. That's the key. It's a lot of people think in days and weeks. I think in months and years, man. That's the mindset change you have to do in order to succeed in this. And I think we're all puppies here. A lot of people haven't been trading for more than 4 or 5 years, right? A lot of the people I look to for information are people who have traded for 10, 12, 15 years, right? They have been through all the cycles, reduce, reuse cycle. And that's where you get the experience. Ask Army Piper. Look how Army Piper trades. You've been trading for a long time. Man's too damn patient. Fuck that. Sorry for swearing, but you know what I mean? But that's years. That's just years. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, man. Vinny, Andre, good to see you. Marius, how you doing? I'm definitely in the black cherry category here, guys. You guys are so vanilla. You guys are picking vanilla ice cream? Come on. You're not allowed to have apple pie with it. It's just plain vanilla. And you can't be like, oh, it's the homemade vanilla special. No, it's fucking Chapman's or whatever you guys eat. It's vanilla. You guys are being... Don't be weird. Pick an ice cream, man. If NASDAQ holds here, we can get long. If NASDAQ holds... Weird. NASDAQ needs to sweep here. 3 drives at the lows. SPY. ES. ES is dead. A lot of indecision down here, guys. A lot of indecision. MRPRG, what's going on? Good morning, Alexander G. How you doing? God bless you. Drive safely. Yo, Wagwan. What's going on, Philly Skills? Good to see you, man. Good day. Yesterday, around market time, you were buffeting. I was just wondering, did it happen to others in Australia or others? Oh, buffering. I don't think so. I think we were good here. Crypto Jim, what's going on? Proof of work. Jesse Hullock. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well, Terry Stewart. I promised you guys a discount code today, didn't I? Oh man, I haven't done that. I'm bad. I can whip one up quickly, man. You'll see. I'll whip up a discount code. I said I'd give you guys $20 off the first month. Yeah. All right. Where's Grok? Hey, Grocky. Grok, put on my socks. Okay, take my old promo. Take this image. Take this image and make it say $20 off the first month instead of $13 off for life. Make it awesome. Make it awesome. Make it awesome has got to be my best prompt. You know, make it awesome. All right, I just sent him this. This is the big one. Whenever we do the big sale, it's only twice a year. We're not doing that one. We're doing $20 off the first month. I just gave him that one. Ha. That's good, man. What should the code be, guys? Now we get to see whose ice cream is the best. What should the code be? Now we get to see whose code to rule them all. Where the heck did they change the layout of this thing? It's called collections now. I gotta make a coupon. Add new coupon. This is where we're at. I failed you guys. Ice cream, vanilla. Make it nice. First 1 month. My favorite ice cream is coffee. I feel attacked by this poll. Let's go, Camp. Jerry, Benjamin, man, you Crypto Jacker's definitely smoking the ganja and eating Benjamin flavored ice cream. Lucky there isn't any Bens in America. What should the code be, guys? And Vanilla Pride. We can go with Vanilla Pride. Why do they get a whole month, man? I mean, why do them get a whole month? I'm Lord Otter King Beaver. Like, why don't we get Traders Month, where everybody just gets liquidated for fun? What's going on, Magic? How you doing, bro? Hey? Oh, man. How about that previous yearly pivot level, bro? What a target. What a target. I got to tell you, man. I was dead set on that previous yearly pivot holding. But it was a great target for longs. I haven't messaged you in a while. Hopefully you're doing well, bro. Hope you and the family are doing okay. Vanilla Pride. I think I just gonna make it vanilla. Oh, man. Vanilla. How many should we make available? I don't know. All right. Change the use code to vanilla. Sweep and go push here. NASDAQ holding the lows. There we go. Save image. Copy image. There it is. Look how easy they did it. Look, $20 off the first month. I didn't even have to do anything. Look how fast that got whipped up. Thank you, Grockalina. My Grok calls me Lord Otter King Beaver. It says, good morning, your otterness. Look, see, even Claude. Happy Tuesday, Lord Otter. That's right. Respect my authority. Those are my pronouns, if you didn't know. Lord Otter, King Beaver. Traders Month is May. Sell and go away. Is that what it is? Slurp. All right. Good morning, everybody. Magic coming through. Orange sherbet is... I like black cherry. I'm a simple person, man. Mint chocolate is okay too. Cookies and cream. That's a classic. I used to like cookies and cream as a kid. That was my go-to as a kid. You guys tell me. Cookie dough. I think I've had cookie dough. I think it's a bit too much. It's jarring, literally. Good morning, everybody. Nadeem, G1. Yo, what's going on? Shreyan, Rich. Sorry about your Sabres. They blew the whistle on the third goal there. That was absolute garbage. Sorry about your Sabres, man. It should have been 3-2. Game winning. Tell me sports isn't rigged when sports isn't rigged. The goalie's here. The puck's underneath him. The puck is rolling towards the net. It's popping out. They blow the whistle dead. And then it goes in the net. What a bunch of fucking bullshit. Anyways. There we go. Montreal Canadiens get through because, I don't know. Pretty lame. Pretty lame. Great game. Pretty lame, though. You knew after that the curse was real and Buffalo was going to get was going to outplay them, outshoot them, outchance them, and then they're going to score that one fluky goal. We knew it's written on the... It's how it always happens, right? What's going on, Curbstar? Good to see you, man. Jesse Haluk. Rebellious OG Kudo. How you doing, man? Thank you for being here. Jojo, Marine Mike, morning, and another day to win. That's it. Are we bear flagging? We are bear flagging in the house of Cummins Cider. I wouldn't say we're bear flagging. I would say this is just very, very sideways. Very much like this, with a little bit of manipulation. So either we get this, or we get to... I would prefer them to entice longs. That's what I would prefer them to do, and then send it on everyone's head. But right now, sideways. Okay? Sideways, trying to hold this macro trend line. NASDAQ just keeps rolling over. Okay, NASDAQ is the tell right now, in my opinion. It's just weakness and indecision. There's uncertainty in the market with this this presidente. He's he's causing a lot of confusion for everybody. Burn the boats. What's going on, Nadeem? Good to see you, DZ. Good morning, guys. Thank you. Look at all these legends in here, man. I can't keep up with this chat. Up only. Continuation here. Solana trying to push into resistance right now. Golden pocket bounce. I like Solana to 85. We do have 3 drives. Sweep of the lows. Continuation up here for NASDAQ. We could push like Solana to 85 as NASDAQ to take this liquidity. Be a little micro penis trade, but could get going here. Tap. Order block. Tap, though. Continuation down. VWAP coming in our face, so you don't want to get in. You don't want that. I mean, no thank you. We'll see. What's going on, C-Train? I'm patiently waiting. I did last time. You said to cancel and sign back up. I'm waiting for the next round. Okay. Cherry Trader. Yeah. I'm cherry picking. White chocolate. Made it Ace. Good to see you, man. JR Prince. How you doing, man? Gain. Good morning. Mr. Jinx. Give us some morning sauce. Butterfinger Blast. Sonic. Is that the one? I've never been to a Sonic. Rich is gutted. Walnut caramel. That sounds bomb. Walnuts are apparently really good for you. So are D's nuts. The cider song? We're not playing the cider song. Good morning, Lewis. Good morning, V Monitor. Wick's wife, Fine 89. How you doing, Dusty? Good to see you. When I was a kid, bubblegum ice cream was my jam. Yeah, they had the bubble gums in them, yeah. From Landon. What's going on, Landon? Mint chalk chip. Captain Jack, good morning. Hafiz. Good morning, everybody. So where are we at? I mean, Bitcoin dominance dropping yesterday, giving everybody some hopium. Right back up, right? Right back up. Everybody getting all excited. Oh my God, Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Solana's outperforming. Yeah. Okay. Where are we at? What are we looking at? Well, breaking down very simply, right? We were bullish, and now we are. I would say we're a little bit more than corrective right now. So, in order to flip bullish, I need price to get above 77. We have this downwards trend line. Okay, we're trying to get out of it. Will we? We'll see. We shall see. However, this doesn't terribly look like bottoming structure. Like I said, I would prefer something like this. This in here, like our golden pocket bounce level was up here, so we've come down to like a platinum pocket in here or something like that, which is never something that I'm terribly interested in. If we look at this on the macro, kind of pull out here and go from the low to the high, right? Kind of deal. We would look for the bounce level, and we almost hit that platinum pocket to the tits, right? I'm holding 786, trying to push back in here. For me right here, I need constructive price action. Like I would need it like an hourly structure break in order to justify any sort of corrective longs, where I would look for this to come back up into maybe 79. But pretty good volume resistance in front of our face here. And I much rather prefer it to come down to 72, if I'm being honest. Everybody hates me for that level, but that's where I'm looking. Okay, been looking at 72 since we broke structure at the highs. But can we get going, and can we jump on trend? Absolutely. So right now, just consolidation chop yesterday. I got chopped up yesterday. 280 people here on the live stream. Thanks for being here. 72 likes. Okay. I'm down 1,100 yesterday. That's fine. I mean, what did I make? 13,000 last week. So showing you guys the trades, taking the trades, all that fun stuff. But right now it's very indecision. We had the short yesterday. Everybody got short yesterday. I was very upset. I got chopped up in here, trying to get long, which is kind of funny. I should have just been patient and got that long. But no, I got chopped up in here. And I gave you guys a short yesterday. So, I mean, I've been doing my job for you guys. I haven't necessarily been executing well for myself, which will change. I tend to eventually execute pretty well. So, a little bit of patience in here. Pretty choppy this morning. I do like this little SFP with volume. I could see the volume come in here. I was very tempted to take it here. We obviously rolled over here, and then the volume sweep, and then continuation up here coming into the order block. So we could be potentially looking for like a higher low continuation trade into the liquidity of the highs. But for now, there's been no oomph, in my opinion. Every time we've pushed, what do we get? We get 3 drives, topping structure, bearish divergence, SFP, right? 3 drives, retest, down we go, right? So expectational order flow, in my opinion, is still down until we can start like mitigating significant levels. Like I said, we really need to get above this high and then look for like bottoming structure. But does this look like the bottom to you guys? I don't know. I'm not really keen on it, right? I mean, we came down pretty aggressively here, and we chopped all day yesterday. Higher low, continuation out. Higher low, higher low. Sweep, golden pocket, high to low, golden pocket, 786. Rejection. Can we get going here? Okay, if this, then that, right? Holding that 786 line, as we can see in here. So, sideways. Even Asia was sideways. Okay, so haven't gotten really anywhere. We can see volume within the range here. Chop in the middle, right? So we look for the buns to trade. We don't want to get noodle slapped, everybody. So we always try to trade the buns. Where's the noodle? The noodle's right in the middle, right? And where are we trading? You couldn't be any more dead center. Look at this thing. Noodle. Yeah. Right there. Okay. Here's our noodle slap. So we want to see, highs and lows. We want to see right? Or we want to see So we'll see where we get to today, everybody. I'm excited. Are you excited? And we do have a sale, like I promised, right? Use the code VANILLA. Join. Whatever you want. Do whatever you want. I don't care. Less people to coach. Okay, AlexOCrypto.com. Okay, let me copy and paste this here. Oh, that's the old one. Okay. Sales on now. For you sell in May and go away people, maybe you learn how to trade and make some extra money. Only because I promised I'd make you guys a code. What's going on, everybody? Wick's wife, how you doing? Wayne C. French toaster. Sorry for muting you yesterday. I just mean you just crossed the line with that. Where would Sol go with Bitcoin at 72? Solana finding macro support, right? So, I mean, Solana's low is clearly 79, 78. So, I mean, I've been a buyer at Solana. I bought at 78. So, Solana is looking quite oogly. But, we're looking 81 and 78. 81 and 78 if we roll over from here. However, Solana's pretty beaten up. I think it's down like 20% from the highs. So we'll see. That's where I would be looking. Solana. I think I'm married to Solana. It's not good. Mr. Jinx. So 1 hour bull divs. Nothing happened. Yeah, it's very choppy, right? It's very choppy and indecisive. So you can tell when like oscillators, they get tight, right? So instead of having like, and they're just very shallow waves, right? That's when you're chopping, right? It's not really giving you much variance in the way that it's moving. Okay, I'm gonna track this momentum here as well, just in case. I think this trend line is now useless. I'm rendering it useless, guys. Pushing up into this order block here. Local fibs. Order block, local fibs, VWAP, right? Swing high to swing low, local fibs, VWAP. So that would be our next level here. Rejection. Slowly climbing up, creating liquidity into the morning, creating FOMO. So for me, it's like you're trapping longs this morning. Trapping longs. Slow grind up. Interesting. We'll see. I think everybody here is signed up with Bitunix, but if you're not, there's a link for that too if you want. We do the giveaways tomorrow. That's pinned in the comments. Tomorrow, $1,500. Thursday, $1,500. And Friday, $2,000. $5,000 worth of giveaways every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in this channel. So use the Bitunix link and deposit, and you get entered into the raffle. It's that simple. It's that simple. So simple. Good morning, little man. Hey. Yeah? You want to say gang gang? Yeah, say good morning. You say good morning. Man. Yeah, that's a man. Say gang, gang, gang. You gonna say it? Say good morning. Say dada. Say good morning. Did you have a nice sleep? Yeah? Did you dream about dragons and princesses? Yeah? What do you think, buy or sell today? You're not sure? Say gang, gang, gang. No? Your teeth bugging you? Yeah? Can I have a big hug? Thank you, buddy. You gotta go hang out with Mom, okay? That's working?
Dan, Dan.
Gang, gang? Yeah, that's them. Okay? Go be good for Mom, okay?
Mom.
Yeah, for Mom. He just broke into my office. All right, we're back. Little man, the office intruder. Gotta love it, man. Hey, there's no complaints when your son just runs into your door and goes, Dada. That's the best, isn't it? That's the best. He comes into the office all the time and goes, gang, gang, gang. I got a recording of it somewhere. I got a recording. Here it is. All right, buddy, you got to start. Say gang, gang, gang.
Dan, Dan.
All right, here we go.
Dan,
Too
Dan, Dan, Dan.
Good job. Let's go. Little man. The best. The best. He's yeah. There's a you always gotta have a why, right? You always gotta have a why and why you show up, and some days you don't want to, and some days you do want to, but you remember what's important. Very clear. Okay, coming up into resistance right now, VWAP downwards trending momentum. Solana, nice push. NASDAQ holding the lows as we wanted. A little bit overextended to the upside now, creating that liquidity. Buyers stepping up right now into imbalance, fair value gap. Solana into the support and resistance flip right now. So could be a little bit more turbulent here. So we'll see if we get that. A little bit of patience right now, everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Golden Child, how often do you share your trading view charts in Discord? They have my super charts, so they have my chart all the time. I don't even need to share it. I do updates though 3 times a day. And you get my super charts. Do you have any issues withdrawing from Bitunix? Nope. No issues with that. I deposit into my account. Do you guys see that all the time? Good morning, Aaron. Good to see you. Curtis Hill, the dad zone. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Clip that for a song intro. Yeah, we should, right? I have that saved, so he comes in and just goes gang, gang, gang. Anytime he comes in the office, I'm like, okay, buddy. You're going to take old man's job pretty soon here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel and supporting my family as well. That's it's not just me. And hopefully I can help you guys support yours. That's the whole goal. So coming into resistance here, downwards trending, trying to push here, holding the lows. Bitcoin sideways this beautiful day here. So what we're looking for, break, retest, continuation here, potentially pushing up pretty aggressively. Bullish divergence in the lows right now, trying to get going. Okay, nice little push here. Not a lot, but enough, right? We got NVIDIA earnings tomorrow, I believe. So be prepared for some volatility coming into that. not much data coming out here besides, Canada's inflation is terrible because we suck. But, we're Canada. Sorry. Look at this. Our numbers are pathetic. Oh, man. But they're going to be like, oh, core inflation came down year over year. Core inflation. Yeah, right. Have you seen the cost of shit in our country? Crazy, man. Crazy. So, patience here chopped up a little bit yesterday. Down 1,000 yesterday. Not a big deal. Battled back. I was down 3 racks yesterday. I got chopped up pretty hard. So trying to be patient here. We took one winning trade on the live stream, though. We made $100 on Solana on the live. So we'll see what we get today. Right now, Bitcoin just sideways and very slow and choppy. We can see that the VIX is at 18, which isn't bad volatility for the S&P. But right now, a lot of indecision and a lot of... we get these big pumps and then bleeding out, big pumps and bleeding out. So for me, got to be cautious, in my opinion, watching for these pumps and the bleed out. However, Bitcoin's in a spot where it could potentially push here. Otherwise, we're coming 74 is my first target, 74.9. So we'll see if we roll over there, trying to defend this range. Okay, so if this, then that. Can we get going? Taking a quick look at Market Cipher and kind of where we're at and what we're looking for. The daily here is producing a potential trigger wave. Okay, a potential. And we have been down for like 4 days straight. So, and this is the first, I would say, good wick in the candle here. Buyers stepping up, potentially trying to push. So can we push back? We will see. Okay, we will see. Typically, you get 3 black crows, consolidation, continuation. So you would see a follow through here, right? So you get consolidation, continuation. Just saying. Clearly getting rejected here, losing the momentum, breaking down. So trying to push. We'll see if it can. You can see nice wicks and exhaustion down in the lows here on the 12-hour and the money flow trying to push back with VWAP coming in as well. Okay, so there is some hopium here for potential pushback on the 12-hour and the 8-hour holding money flow, trying to push back. The oscillation looks half decent here. This is the first time we've consolidated and started to produce green candles on the way up. Okay, the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. What am I looking for, right? What can we see today? And inward curvature. So a little bit of weakness here leads to roll over, and we can see VWAP coming down and money flow coming down. So this is this does not look great. I would say this looks pretty bad on the oscillation here. We can see lower highs all the way through, money flow in the red, and any sort of pullback has been for shorting. Short. So be aware of that as well. Rip the band-aid off or don't at all. Just consolidate sideways. So not trying to have hopium here, but when we look at this one here, we can see that we did get a little pushback. So we have the very similar pattern right now. Very similar on the 2-hour, and we can see the trigger wave and the trigger wave. So we did get a little push up here. Can we get a little push up here? Potentially. There is a little bit of hopium here in the 2-hour for pushback. Hasn't worked out so far. Okay, in the hourly as well. Just like I said, very condensed chop solidation over the past couple days. So maybe an announcement, something good can come of this. But right now, I think what's really going on is after that China situation, there was this high expectation, as we can see in here, that big expectation of a deal for all the tech companies and NVIDIA and all that stuff. And then all of a sudden, it was like, nope, too bad, and the rug got pulled, right? So now there's that uncertainty, and the war is still on, yada, yada, yada. So the markets hate uncertainty, and the AI trade remains, but it doesn't mean it's going to pull up everything with it. So we want to see strength on the NASDAQ and on the SPY coming into today for potential good earnings tomorrow on NVIDIA. Okay? Eyes on the prize. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And there is a sale today. $20 off. Use the code vanilla at AlexOCrypto.com. $20 off your first month. Okay, there's your beautiful sale as promised. Okay. And then we'll see where we get to today, guys. For me, it's a bit of if this, then that. If price action gives me the opportunity, I will try to execute to the best of my ability. Right now, we're coming into VWAP and the golden pocket. We'll see how it behaves here. Up only since this morning. I liked the long this morning. We'll see if we continue here. What are you guys in? Longs, shorts, longs, shorts? 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3. 3 is hands, by the way. If you don't know, if you're new here, welcome. 360 people here. Welcome, everybody. I'm schlonging and both in profit. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta love a double schlong. Profit, profit. NVIDIA or NVIDIA? It's NVIDIA. It's NVIDIA. Is it N or N? How to say
NVIDIA. NVIDIA.
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA.
Slow.
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA. It's NVIDIA, right?
NVIDIA.
AI is telling me. Okay, NVIDIA is a... I'm going to troll you guys. Come on, let's be real. NVIDIA. Someone made fun of my gray hair yesterday. They said it looked like I got the light turned on too bright because I'm so gray. That wasn't very nice. I'm wearing a hat today. So you guys want to troll me? NVIDIA. NVIDIA. I'm going to troll you back. You know? It's like my wife correcting me, right? Yeah, it's NVIDIA. Let's go, Bam Bok. What's going on, Have? Good to see you, man. KSEX is a flawless app. KSEX doesn't have proof of reserves. Crypto Creek. So do with that as you will. Like you stupid Americans calling a tomato a tomato. A tomato. My wife calls it my wife speaks the Queen's English. So I mean half of my family calls it right? NVIDIA. You're trying to gaslight us, AI. What is this, Ford? She said Chevy, right? NVIDIA. It is NVIDIA, guys. Can't lose with a schlong. I bet you there, like we say, I bet you there's streamers who open up a long and short before their stream, and then whichever one's in profit, they close the other one. I ain't in no trades. I lost $1,000 yesterday. I show you guys the trades. I show you guys the account every single day. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out here. We'll see where we get to today. Good morning, Cal. Good to see you. The only thing I do require is you to say good morning. I do appreciate it. NVIDIA. Yeah. It is NVIDIA. Yeah, you're right. Hey, gray hairs on good areas are cool. Yeah. You just look like his already. Yeah, I could be Doctor Strange. I mean, I don't gravitate to that kind of superhero. Doctor Strange isn't my guy. I'm more of a midget with claws, Wolverine kind of guy. Right? I identify more with a midget with claws. NVIDIA. Yeah, it is NVIDIA. Tickle that like button, fuckers, says Jesse. Alexandra G with the 10 gifted memberships. God bless you, gang, gang, gang. Let's see some Alexandra G emojis in the chat, guys. Let's spam Alexandra G emojis, or just wrenches if you don't have a membership. The memberships are the cheapest as possible so that you guys can have emojis. They're not Discord memberships, okay? Baby Genius, what's going on? Crypto Jacks, hey, what's going on? Falco's Forge is an absolutely lurker. Lurker. Halfreeze, lurker. Hindustan, lurker. Dejuza, lurker. Cush's Macalone, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Neoxide, lurker. Trey, lurker. Some lurkers, man. I see lurkers in the chat. Lurker, lurker, lurkers. Smack the like for the video. Spank. Oh, man. Good morning, everybody. The only requirement here is good morning. Don't be weird. Alexandra G in the chat. God bless you. You're an absolute legend. You don't have to do that. This is the Alexandra G emoji if you're wondering what it looks like, guys. Excuse me, sir. Where's your stop loss? Excuse me. Are you talking smack? It's said NVIDIA. There you have it, guys. There you have it. She has spoken. Oh, man. Too good. Too good. All right. We'll see where we get to today. Whoa, computer. Computer, why are you lagging? What's going on? Okay, 360 people here on the live stream. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Bitcoin up only, enticing buyers this morning. Continuation up, coming into VWAP right now. No trade, still waiting here. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. My God, look at all these people in here. Much love, much love. Breakout? I wouldn't say breakout just yet. The way this thing has moved up right now, I'm a worker and I smack that like and say good morning. That's the way, one way. God bless you. Thank you so much, man. Can you look at semiconductors? They look like they've topped. We don't really look at semiconductors. However, we could. Mohammed, thank you for being here. Andy, good morning. Patillion, good morning. How you doing, man? Congratulations on your 50 USDT on the swear jar giveaway. I sent that to you this morning. Sorry it took so long. I was busy over the weekend. I totally forgot. Do you also trade altcoins or only Bitcoin? Oh, we trade altcoins, my friend. We trade lots of altcoins. When the opportunity arises, though. I mean, we did take Ondo. Oh, man. Is it okay if I brag a little bit? I made like $5,000 on Ondo, and we scalp for the most part, my friend. We scalp. We gave virtual before it dumped. We did virtual. We did Ondo. We did Brett. That was pretty good too. Brett was pretty good. Oh, baby. Ondo. That was pretty good too. Nice, like, easy 70%. Yeah. So we do. You got me to say do this morning. We do quite a bit of altcoins when the opportunity presents itself, but that's in Discord, man. That's definitely in Discord. What is going on? My computer is lagging. There we go. All better now. You know what I have to do sometimes is turn off my mouse and turn it back on again. Does anybody else have to do that? Sometimes the mouse gets like, I don't know, Mental retardation, you know? Double top at VWAP here. Rotation down. Rejection. Considering a short. Potentially. NASDAQ. Up at the highs here. I think NASDAQ still needs to come a bit higher. SPY and ES. Okay. Choppy. Patience for now, no trades. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm going to go and get some more coffee. I'm at a coffee, so I'll give you guys the coffee long into VWAP. Sorry about that. Let me go get some coffee and prepare for market open. VWAP, baby.
Other gang, let's go. Lord Arthur King Bieber in the building. Making crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink dots, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it, slap it, one pick. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, pump it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace. Stay true to the digital. Auto gang, bye. Other gang, let's go. Lord Arthur King Bieber in the building. Making crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang the VWAP stop. Stop it, hit the pink dots, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP stop. Stop it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top. Stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it. Slap it. Pump it. Give it the V-wop. Slap it. Pump it. Hit the big box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the V-wop. Slap it. Trade the bonds. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Stay true to the digital. Auto gang. Bye.
Oh, that's my window. The light's coming in down below. Let me close the window. All right, we're back, and we need to give TMB a timeout. We're gonna give him 5 minutes for that one. That was brutal. He knew he was catching that one. He knew he walking into a bus right there. Oh man, the Habs, the divers, man. Looks like this long is playing out here. Up only, guys. Coming into 9 o'clock here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 350 people here on the live stream hanging out. We'll see what we get today. Consolidation. No trades right now. Oil. Okay. Above 100 again. I mean, not looking good. SPY. Bottoming structure break of the high here. Could potentially close above. NASDAQ here getting a little bit of a rejection. A little crawl up this morning. Not something I was really interested in. Nice little sweep, though, this morning. Push up. We'll see where we get to. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream. Smashing those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. All that good stuff, guys. Thank you for being here. Yeah, preference doesn't really matter right now, but I would prefer for us to come lower, but we'll see. We shall see. Up at VWAP. Now we're chopping at the WAP, so. Good coffee this morning. Good coffee. Always makes a big difference, doesn't it? What is your favorite coffee? We got the poll here. Everybody told me that, vanilla is the best ice cream. I disagree. Vanilla with apple pie or something is top notch, but I wouldn't say it's the best. But we do have a discount code now for the vanilla ice cream. Okay. Little sale going on. We don't typically do sales, but you guys asked, so I did it. $20 off your first month. Use the code vanilla and join the gang. Okay? Join the family. The best Discord in all of crypto. Taking the trades, showing the trades. We do live scalping today. We're going to go in, scalp live with the gang after the live stream here and keep whooping ass. Good fun. All the lessons, 150 lessons, 8 different traders. A plethora of knowledge and information. Join the Discord if you want. If not, see you here. There you go. Looking for follow through here on VWAP. Holding. Trying to push. No trades as of yet. Vanilla is too white for me. Vanilla is vanilla. Vanilla is vanilla. CM. What's going on? Best coffee is mocha. I'm a coffee snob. I only like the super premium French roast mountain grain value. I buy exclusively at Walmart in the instant section. Instant coffee is... I'm dark roast coffee bean, absolutely. Dark roast. Instant coffee. What's going on, Reggie? You want me to share your YouTube? I mean, go check out Reggie's YouTube. Espresso beans for me. Continuation up. Smash the like. Vanilla is boring. Sorry, I agree. Health. Undercover. I heard there's a really good Hawaii. Hawaii has a good good bean. What about that cat shit coffee? I've had the cat shit coffee. Anybody put a 1 in the chat if you have drank the cat shit coffee. Put a 2 in the chat if you're willing to drink the cat shit coffee. Let's just do a poll, man. Every time. Have you had the cat shit coffee? Yes. No. I'd try it. Gross. I've had it. I've had it. I've had it. Have you guys had it? It's a bit naughty. It tastes like shit, Basil. It's a bit naughty. That's because it is shit, Austin. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Oh, fuck. Oh, look. Nice rejection here. I've had the money shit coffee from Vietnam. Yeah, there you go. Here's rollover. Finally, some weakness here. Sweep of the highs on Solana, rotation down. NASDAQ, rotation down. Solana trying to hold support. Bitcoin rolling over here. Failing to push. Coming back for late longs. Trapping longs on the way up here. Coming back down. Lower high. Failed breakout. I want to try it. It's nothing special, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Trenchy. Trenchy knows the recipe to profitability. Cuban coffee is really good. Cuban coffees. Maybe that's why Trump wants to take Cuba. Free coffee's cat shit coffee for Andre. Oh man. Hello, sir. When can we take a trade in Bitcoin? Not yet, man. This is very choppy and manipulated right now. A little bit of patience right now. Nasdaq rolling over. Solana rolling over. Pretty aggressive here, guys. So patience. Waiting for the trades, taking the trades, showing the trades. Not a full VWAP rejection, right? Like a couple slaps, but no real tell to this move down here. So just waiting. See if Sol can hold this support level. Order block tap. Nasdaq trying to hold as well. Very aggressive sell-off though. Not looking too hot here. Looks like continuation down. Here we go. Nasdaq dying. Okay. Nasdaq coming much lower here. Sweeping the lows. Solana trying to hold. Breakdown retest of key support. Continuation down. Considering a short here. Bitcoin needs to roll over here. Solana rolls over here. We could get short. Just trying to see if we get weakness in here. No weakness yet. Okay, that looks better. Bitcoin needs to roll over here. Here we go. Let's do it. Short. Oh, Bitcoin holding. Nasdaq holding, sweeping the lows. Not yet. Still waiting. SPY holding. Rolling. Bitcoin rolling? No. Bitcoin pushing back. No trade. Still waiting here. Still waiting on Solana. Crawl up here, rotation down. Nasdaq holding the lows, defending the lows. Okay. No trade on Solana here, waiting. Patience. If Solana does not reclaim this area in here, though, we're looking to come down. It's a pretty aggressive sell-off here on Bitcoin. Still waiting. Cat poo coffee. That's where it's at, man. Cigars in Cuba, bro. Yeah, they're good, man. Yeah, absolutely. Can we take a trade on Bitcoin? Not yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. I'm looking for Bitcoin to roll over here. I'd like Bitcoin to come to this low. And if Bitcoin's going to that low, I'm going to jump in probably on Solana. We got 20 minutes till market opens. Big rollover on NASDAQ coming back for late longs. Do we get weakness here? We shall see. VWAP rejection, below VWAP, rotation down. Trying to hold here. ES rotation down. NASDAQ trying to battle here. Looks like lower. Still no trade. Patience for now. Thank you, everybody, for being here and smashing that like button. 390 people here, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you guys wouldn't mind, we need like 35, 40 more likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, I'd appreciate that. Bitcoin hitting golden pocket locally here. Yeah. It's just an aggressive sell-off. Looks like rotation down, in my opinion. Weakness, weakness, weakness. NASDAQ, no buy up. ES is holding. Bitcoin's trying to hold here. If Bitcoin rolls over this support line, we should be looking to get short. I told you I was in a coffee shop. Can we take a trade in BTC? Haven't you asked that like twice already, bro? I'll let you think about it. NASDAQ trying to hold the lows. NASDAQ holding the lows, coming back halfway up the candle. Good pushback. Good pushback here, no trade. Still waiting. Bitcoin continuation. Into VWAP here, no trade. Okay, we got 15 minutes till market opens. Thank you for being here, everybody. I love taking your time. Welcome, Jong. Thank you for being here, Jong. God bless. 15-minute dump. Yeah. Well, failing to hold here. Still defending the lows, inverted head and shoulders, potential push. I like NASDAQ up here. We're coming into VWAP though. Hanging man engulfing candle here. Trying to go. 30 seconds on this candle. Trying to push. Can NASDAQ push? NASDAQ's pushing. Bitcoin's got to push back here. Solana holding support here. I like Solana into these lows. Pretty cheap trade. NASDAQ needs to push though. Bitcoin holding. Can Bitcoin get through VWAP? That's the question here. Nice little crawl up this morning. Continuation up. We'll see. Trying to push. Trying to push. NASDAQ not getting any bids. ES rolling over pretty hard here. Yeah. Still waiting here. Biddy has to go. Otherwise, we're going down. I would like Bitcoin to come to this low here. Still waiting. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Final countdown. Down we go. We'll see. Yeah. Could do. Could do. Looking for Solana to hold here and push. Bitcoin looking to hold and push as well. VWAP slap rejection though. Not full slap though. Nasdaq needs to hold and push. Not doing it. ES looking weak right now, guys. Rolling over quite heavy. Can it bounce? Need the ES to bounce. Need Bitcoin to bounce. Need Nasdaq to bounce. Need to see buyers step up here. Otherwise, much lower. Solana losing support here. Considering a short on Solana. ES coming down. Nasdaq rolling over, potentially. Bitcoin rolling over, potentially. Potential short here. Looks like lower to me. Trying to hold here. Nasdaq looking weak. Considering a short. Bitcoin needs to roll over here. Down we go. Let's go. Gotta dump it, Bitcoin. It's all trying to hold on, like literally on the edge right here. So either looking to come here for Bitcoin. Looking to jump on Solana here. Let's do it. I'm short. Oh, there we go. All right, 500 up. Stop loss to entry. That was awesome, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We're up 500. Last second there, caught that as it rolled over here. Let's see if we can roll over. Dump it. Dump it, baby. What? Oh, man. All right. All right. That was gay. Put a 1 in the chat if that was gay. I mean, we took 500 out, but holy. Really? That was super gay. GG's. GG's and a 1, please. Holy smokes. Talk about lame as fuck. NASDAQ bouncing. ES trying to hold. All right, well. I ain't going to complain. Quick 480 bucks here, guys. On Solana. GG's in the chat. Whatever. Very weird. NASDAQ bouncing. Solana's now going to Valhalla. All right. Great entry, great execution, quick. Good thing I took profits. I mean, this market. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. On to the next one. GG's, everybody. GG's. GG's. Bitcoin recovering. NASDAQ trying to bounce back. All right, one trade, 500 bucks. On to the next one. How do you take profits so quickly? I right click, I copy it, I paste it, I put it on the chart. That's how. I am a ninja, as they say. I don't know. I've gamified my entries, so I'm really quick. You have to be. You can do preset orders too. They want you all to be long here. They want you to be long here coming into market open. We got 5 minutes here. One trade today, guys. Of course. Of course they came back for me and they sent it the same way. That's how the market has been. Very choppy, guys. So, douche canoe price action. Absolute douche canoe price action. Interesting. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. 400 plus. You guys are cool, man. If we could get like 15, 20 more likes, something like that, if you guys don't mind. Smash those likes. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you for being here. Join the Discord. Best Discord in all of crypto. We go live trading in the Discord right after this on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. We also have 8 amazing traders with signal setups, 150 plus videos. We do have a sale on right now. $20 off your first month. Use the code VANILLA. Okay. We don't typically do sales, but you guys asked yesterday, so we are doing a sale. Here you go. AlexOCrypto.com. Use code VANILLA. Or don't. Typical BS, man. They come back, they stop me out, man. We'd be so rich right now. We'd be rich. And that's okay. Looking to come for the liquidity of the low here. NASDAQ continuing to roll over. ES, same deal. We had the entry, the sniper, super duper sniper entry, and now we are now we're here holding the bag. Put a 2 in the chat if you're still short. Congratulations on your shorts. Let's go, baby. On a trade like that, what is your position size, leverage, risk to reward? My risk to reward that's typically, I hit my 1-to-1 there. So that's my 1-to-1. So I'm typically risking $500 to $1,000 per trade, depending on the setup. I can risk up to 3,000 based off of my 1% rule, but that's a lot, so I don't. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's go, gang, gang, gang. Look at that. Alexander G, did you just type that out? Thank you, Alexander G. Look, I'm going to copy and paste that now. Yeah. Join the Discord if you want. Sweetheart. I'm not mad, you're mad. Down we go. Bitcoin needs to come sweep the lows. Sweep and go. Great trade, everybody. Congratulations on your win. Taking the trade, showing the trades. I'd try that cat shit coffee with the chocolate mint ice cream. That's a wombo combo. Tastes like shit, Basil. That's because it is shit, Austin. No problem, Mr. Market. Thank you guys for smashing those likes, man. We only need 14 more. You guys are great. Grabbed entry at VWAP. Thank God. Good work, man. Good work, Andre. I mean, I didn't like the way it reacted in VWAP because for me, like when it comes up into here and it chops it can sometimes it can just stay there, which is not ideal. We have 3 drives, bull divs here, trying to push back. This says lower. This says lower. How low can we go? Well, swing low to swing high suggests that we come back into this low. 786 golden pocket. How the heck, man? That was such a good entry, and then it's a very cheap trade too. Looking to come down to the red line here. Market is open, baby. Let's go. Gap down. Gap down. Let's see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades, giving away $5,000 every week. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Sweep down, push back up. Sweep down, push back up. Can we get a potential rollover bounce this morning? Thank you guys for being on the live. Let's see where we get to. NASDAQ flying. Let's go, NASDAQ. To the moon. SPY coming back in. Rotation up. Okay, rotation up. Can it bounce? Soy Boy Lana trying to bounce here, coming out of the lows. Hanging man engulfing candle for Soy Boy Lana trying to push out. Oh, turning back down. NASDAQ pump and dump. Sweep of the highs coming back down. Can we rotate downwards here? This is looking pretty bearish here. Everybody, we'll see retest of previous lows, continuation down for Bitcoin. Solana, sweep of the high, retested the lows, continuation down as well. Yikes. NASDAQ, sweep and dump. SPY, dump. Okay, ES, dump. Oil, climbing. Not good. Not good all around. Needs to come lower. Solana trying to hold here. Push down. NASDAQ. NASDAQ continues to climb, guys. Continuing to climb here on the NASDAQian. Can Bitcoin find a low here? Sweep and go? Sweep and go. I'm looking for the sweep and go. Sweep the low and go. NASDAQ flying. SPY trying to hold here. Still looking quite weak. No good. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Rotation down. Rotation down. Rotation down. You guys can press along when I say rotation down. That's the joke here. Bounce on Sol. Hanging man engulfing candle. NASDAQ flying. NASDAQ flying. Hanging man engulfing candle. Bitcoin. No strength here. NASDAQian flying. SPY trying to hold the lows here. ES bouncing. Bitcoin flat. Interesting. 3 drives bull divs here on Bitcoin. Poor follow through though. No follow through right now. Nice push here. Beautiful push. Beautiful push here. Considering a long. NASDAQ flying. Considering a long. Solana reclaiming support. Bitcoin trying to push out here. I'm long Solana. Stop to entry. Push you, wanka. There we go. TP1 hit. Let's go. Let's go, baby. GG's, everybody. Damn, Daniel. Push. There's a quickie again. Let's go, Solana. We're going to rotate up to these lows here. NASDAQ leading the way this morning. Sweep of the lows. Fake out to the downside. Push back up. Looking for Solana to get into these lows here. Fair value gap. I'll be mostly out if we get up into here. Push. How's Bitcoin looking? Bitcoin coming into VWAP. A little bit of turbulence here, but a nice push up. NASDAQ leading the way this morning. Cooling off. Let's go Solana. I'm going to get mostly out of this here. Just leave a runner. Oh. Coming into VWAP for Bitcoin, might see a little bit of turbulence. Plus, we still got market open here, so leave a runner. We could potentially re-enter. Not really looking to be a dick for a tick here. No, you don't want to take it? Come on, baby. You want to take it. Aggressive entry up 200, up 700 for the stream. Great job, everybody. GG's in the chat. Let's keep going. Great job, everybody. GG's, 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 GG's. Looking for follow through here on Solana. We'll see if we get it up into this resistance here. We are long. We just NASDAQ popping. Solana hanging man engulfing candle. Fibonacci golden pocket retracement area. All right, so you got swing low to swing high. Fibonacci, hanging man, engulfing candle. Continuation up. Beautiful trade. GG's, everybody. Let's go, baby. Solana. NASDAQ leading the way. SPY holding, trying to push. ES still rolling over. SPY looking weak. NASDAQ looking very strong. Solana continuing to rotate up here. Very nice trade, guys. Let it run. If it wants to run, it can run. Be free. All the way up to 85.70. We'll see. We could add to this trade too. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. GG's, everybody. Let's go. I don't see enough GG's in the chat, man. We be here taking the trades, showing the trades. Please add gold when enter. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Good job, everybody. Bitcoin through VWAP. Aggressive move through VWAP is bullish. Big orb today, guys. Orby 1 Kenobi coming into 945. Nice push through VWAP. Continuation here. See if we can get going today. Come on, Biddy. NASDAQ doesn't care. NASDAQ getting a beautiful push this morning. ES needs to bounce as well. SPY's pushing back into its zone here, so this is a good sign for strength. Continuation for NASDAQ. Continuation potentially for Soyboy Lana. Coming in to retest those lows right now. Expecting a little bit of turbulence here. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP right now on this push up. Could be trapping, sweeping that high here. I mean, we don't care. We've been paid. Great job, everybody. Great job. Give it the VWAP slap. Going into the Discord, trading more today. Should be fun. Don't forget, tomorrow we do the giveaway as well. So you can sign up with Bitunix and deposit and enter the giveaway, $1,500 giveaway tomorrow, Thursday, and 2000 Friday. Just sign up with the link and deposit, and you're good to go for the giveaway here every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We do it every week. So join the Discord, support the channel, take the trades, hang out with the family, man. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. See if we get follow through on this Solana here. I might add to this here. We're at 12K. We can add another 12 if we want. 15. Let's add 15. Bring that up a little bit here. See if we can follow through. Right back up. Adding to the trade, looking for follow through. Continuation here. Bitcoin looking strong, trying to go. NASDAQ looking strong, trying to go. Just looking to squeeze a little bit more juice out of her, you know. If not, we get stopped out. We look to re-enter, which is fine. Great push-up, though. Grabbing a lot of liquidity, retested previous lows. So resistance. All right, stopped out. That's fine. I'm happy with that. I would have been stopped out pretty much anyways. Rejection at VWAP here. Getting everybody a little bit bullish this morning. Big rejection on NASDAQ coming back. Retesting previous highs is what I'd be looking for now. So another $200 added to the tally. Coming back in. Either it was going to go or it wasn't, right? Clearly it wasn't. See, we would have been stopped out anyways down here. So cool. Good trade. On to the next one. Late entry there. So breakout retest continuation here. Looking for lower on NASDAQ. It's not even 9:45 yet. Holy smokes. What's some violence in this thing, man? Holy jeez. Valence. Love it. Love it. See if we can come back and hold this support. It's been pretty important, this whole range. So we'll see if we can hold this guy here. Otherwise, we look for lower. Retest the previous highs on NASDAQ, looking for this to hold as well. ES is not showing any signs of strength. Neither is the SPY, though. So patience here, guys. We'll see what we get. Oof. She aggressive, man. She's aggressive. All right, into our bounce level for our NASDAQ. Interesting. Sweep and go. ES says no. Bitcoin says no. Sweep. Sweep of the high and dump. We still haven't come for that low. Breakout retest continuation up though. I wait here. I'm not certain. Patience for me. We're in the middle of the orb, middle of VWAP, choppy, breakout retest, continuation up. NASDAQ looks weak, SPY looks weak, no trade. Still waiting. ES has not, this is no strength here. ES needs to come way down. Oh no, that's not a good drop. That ain't a good look for the ES. We come in here and here and then here. Okay. If it fails to hold. NASDAQ trying to hold here. Bitcoin failed breakout. 2 minutes till orb. Got low and high here, middle of the orb, VWAP in our face. May need to come down. May need to come down, yeah. Trapping longs this morning. Looks like a trap. We wait. Good patience, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. 420 people here supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you guys. Thank you for slapping those like buttons. We need two more likes to get to 200. You guys are holding out on me, eh? That's not very nice. I need to make 253,000 as soon as possible. SPY looks terrible. SPY breaking down. Bitcoin breaking down. VWAP slap dump. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Bitcoin. Continuation down. Orb is going to be in. There's orb. Orb is in. Okay, well, we got a good orb today, guys. A lot better than normal, so we'll see where this gets us. I'm pretty happy with today so far, up 700 on the live stream. We're going to trade live in the Discord as well. SPY taking the low now. Solana getting a little bounce. Wick test continuation down. See if Bitcoin holds here. Otherwise, we're looking lower. Like we said, we're looking for Bitcoin to come into here. We never got there. And if SPY continues to do this, we're coming down. Definitely. NASDAQ breaking down. Solana breaking down. No. Bitcoin holding. Trying to hold. Wick test. Indecision at the lows right now. I would say dump it. I would say dump it. But right now we're right in the middle of orb, no trade, right in the middle of the range. But this looks like continuation down to me. If you're short, congratulations. If you took some good trades today, congratulations. I love seeing you guys win. Great work. 397 people here on the live stream hanging out every morning. You guys are wild, man. I don't know why you're here. We just talk shit and take trades, man. Thank you for supporting the channel, though. It does mean a lot to me. Attitude of gratitude. That's it. Push back. Push back into VWAP here. Big engulfing candle. That would be juicy. Okay. Okay. Spy saying different. Okay. ES popped off here. ES looks good. Spy looks good. Okay. Changing its colors. Breakout, retest, continuation up. Trying to get through VWAP again. This is choppy, guys. Very choppy. It's got to go here. It's got to go. VWAP again. Rejection. VWAP rejection. Bullish divergence push out. Market cipher says up. Market cipher says up. For sure. There goes Solana. Holding this support line for Solana, I'm telling you, this is a good level. 84.60. Chop at the WAP for Bitcoin. NASDAQ indecision. SPY sweeping the low, pushing back. So this is bullish typically. Bull div trying to push back into our gap this morning. The ES looks really good. That looks juicy, but do we want to put on risk is the question. How many times are we going to reject off VWAP? Like, I think the only way we get bullish is if we have escape velocity. So if we get out of here and we don't take the high. So we get out of here, retest VWAP and orb, reclaim orb and go. Get long here. That would be the best long trade. Or if we come and sweep in here and reclaim orb, that would be a good trade as well. Right now we are absolutely in the big ass noodle slap hot dog zone. Okay, you are in the middle. Do you diddle in the middle? Malcolm middle. Right? The fastest way to get to 250K is to start trading with $1 million and go backwards. Oh man, God bless you, Poppy. Thank you for being here. Daniel, good morning. Ross Trader, good morning. Mr. Market, good to see you, man. THH, thank you for being here. Mike says up is good. I like up. I prefer up right now. NASDAQ uncertain. SPY looks good. ES looks, oh my God. ES did look good. This market, guys. Oh, I should just like run away with my $700 or something like that. Be one of those days. Just go straight into the Discord and take 25-cent trades. There's nothing wrong with 25-cent trades. Let me tell you that. A lot of people who are trading with money should be trading with 25 cents. I'll tell you that. Gold's going to rip. Oil, CVD check. Oil. You want me to check CVD on oil? Do you have absorption? Buyers stepping up here. Yeah. Yeah, bullish CVD. A little flip right now, though. Solana looks good. Solana looks strong. Very aggressive candle. Doji engulfing. 1 minute left on this candle. NASDAQ. I mean, it came back into our box, retesting previous highs, looking to continue upwards. Bitcoin needs to close above VWAP and get going. Solana looks very juicy. Critical support here. Really doing a good job here at 84.60. SPY, double bottom holding, NASDAQ holding, ES. Rugging. Interesting. Very interesting. I think Bitcoin's going to get through VWAP here. What's going on? Yes, good to see you. Good morning. I need a platform. Wemba fan. Rudy, good to see you. Sucks ass this morning. Yeah. There's a close above VWAP here. We have a close above VWAP. Bullish. This says continuation up now. The trade setup is too much in the middle for me to take. To trade 1 million, you have to go to the Coliseum. 1 million position size. I mean, I trade 1 million position size too sometimes, so. Crank is doing well, though. Love Crank, my homie. God bless you, Crank, wherever you are. Bear Trap. You mean OI and CVD on Bitcoin? I'd have to go to CoinGlass for that. Got a squeeze here. Let's go. Let's go, Solana. Squeeze, baby. Squeeze. Looking good here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Nice pushback here. ES is on drugs this morning. I dropped the ES. I only use the ES for front running the SPY in the morning. Then I watch the SPY, just if you're curious. Congratulations, GG's longs. Thanks for your time, Alex. Oh, I really appreciate your analysis. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. Sometimes I do just want to trade and not stream. I'll tell you that much. There are days where I just want to trade. Most days I just want to trade. But I like, trading is lonely. It's not, it's fun. It's fine trading by yourself, but it can be lonely. So it's nice to hang out with you guys and take trades and show the trades and all that fine stuff, right? So thank you for being here and hanging out with me. That got a little gay. All right, double top tweezers, man. Tweezers, watch out. Probably 8-minute tweezers. No, 10, 12, 12-minute tweezers. Exhaustion, consolidation, no decision. Buenos dias. What's going on in El Candos? Good to see you, Django. How you doing, man? Good longs, everybody. I used to look at the open interest charts and all that stuff back in the day. Coinalyze.net. Let me log in. Let's see what we got. Coinalyze. All right. 5-minute chart. Yeah, so we got bearish CVD, bullish open interest. So up. This suggests absorption. Buyers are stepping up, but delta's down. We got divs here, though. You got divs here. You got lows and highs. This suggests buyers are stepping up. However, they're failing to push price higher. So, I mean, do what you want with that. Bullish CVD. Bearish CVD, though. But open interest is spiking. So, do we get absorbed here and failing to push, or this would suggest down? Look at this. Yeah. I used to look at that. I don't find it that useful anymore, though. Hey, handsome. Oh, yeah? A what? A phone? Those are headphones? Can you say gang, gang, gang?
Dang, dang, dang.
Good job. All right. Just honestly, how do like 21-month-old children learn how to open doors so quickly, man? He's like, headphone. Headphone. He's got headphones. Headphone. Oh, man. Too good. What a legend. The cutest child in all of crypto. Honestly, like, I've seen, I mean, you go to the, we don't put our kid in daycare, but you go to like the daycare meetup places where all the little kids are, and you look at the children. I would swear on Scout's honor, not biased, but my child is better looking than all the other boys in that area. I'm gonna have to chase the girls away. I'm telling you, he's a looker, man. You can ask Army Piper, you can ask Tradefly. They will tell you. Thank God my child looks like my wife, and he got blue eyes. He's gonna be taking all them ladies into dad's. He's gonna be trading break your necks, right? That's what his trading pattern is gonna be. It's called break your neck, right? The girls are just right, as every parent says. I don't know, man. I would tell you if my kid looked like Smeagol, I would tell you, man. I would say he looks like he had a fire on his face and someone put it out with a shovel. Right? I would tell you. This is an honest, this is an honest place. Have you guys ever heard that saying? It looks like she had a fire on her face and someone put it out with a shovel. Oh, man. What about Heath? Smeagol every day. Yeah. You said you made $13K last week. Scalping Bitcoin, man. Scalping Bitcoin. I did 4,000 on Monday. I lost 2,000 Tuesday. Did 4,000 Wednesday. 4,000. I don't know what I did on Thursday, Friday. I think 2 and 2 or something, and then I made another 2 on the weekend. Yeah, man. Just scalping Bitcoin. That's it, man. Weakness, man. You can see failing to push price higher. VWAP slapping it down. Double top here on Soy Boy Lana. NASDAQ rolling over, losing our support level. Okay, so weakness, weakness, weakness. ES. Yeah, down we go. Down we go. Over how many trades? I mean, I take anywhere between 3 and 15 trades a day, man. So, depends. Depends on what the market brings me, man. Sometimes I hit a runner. I could make that 4K in one shot, man. Right? It's not I mean, I have the position size to do so. It just depends on the setup, right? I mean, how much did you start with? I mean, I started with $1,000 4 years ago. I compounded that to a $100,000 account. I have since compounded that into a 300, 400 plus account. I do not trade with all of it, obviously, but it's there if I need it. Anything else you want to know? If I can do it, you can do it, man. That's all I got to say. I was a carpenter for 15 years, bro. So, I mean, taking the trades, showing the trades, that's what we do here. If you look at my journey, it's no different than most people's journey. You got to get to a place where you're suffering, man. That's the sad story of it, man. If you look at my journey, you know, I started the YouTube channel. I started trading here. I shorted this thing, made 10K, got liquidated on Solana. A lot of people know the story. I traded like an absolute degen for months. I kept blowing. I blew like, I think it's 5 to 7 $1,000 accounts. I did not have a pot to piss in back in there. I was working as a carpenter in Australia. Okay, I started trading. This was when I started trading. I lived in England for 2 years. Started trading there. Then I traded in England. Then I started streaming and as an accountability thing to my friends, all 4 of them, including my mom's second account that her dog watched. Okay. And then I compounded from here. I got really sick of losing, man. The pain was real. I wanted to figure a way out. Had a good job, right? And I turned 1,000 into 100K here. Went full time. Quit my job. Full time trading. Moved back to Canada. This is where I traded full time. No paid Discord. No affiliate links. Nothing. Okay. $20 paid Discord here. Okay. Started compounding my account quite heavily here. And this February, I go add another vertical into the journey. This is the first time I've ever started shilling an exchange on the channel. Okay. Right in February. Okay. So I was doing it full time, paying my bills before I paid Discord. And now the rest is history. I continue to show up, take the trades, show the trades on a daily basis, man. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. God bless you and thank you for being here, man. And that's the journey, man. Pretty simple. You got to get to a place where you're sick and tired of being dishonest with the way you're trading. Right? Right here. You got to get here, guys. Are you sick of fucking moving your stop loss, not taking high probability trade setups, seeing a green candle and pressing buy? This is where you fucking got to get to. Then you can do this. That's my experience. A lot of people don't get there or they quit. Right? Okay. Chopping the WAP, chopping orb. Yeah. Ugly price action. Rotation down here on NASDAQ looking weak. Expectational order flow is down now. I would expect this to come down. I want to see Bitcoin take that low. 76,400. And you can join the Discord and learn how I trade and all my setups and all my strategies. 150 video plus. Live streams, live trading. 8 different traders, setups, signals, all that stuff. Join. Sales on now. Come and hang out. Summer sale, baby. Vanilla. Use the code or don't. That's up to you, man. Rotation. What was the progression of your risk when you started from 1K to 300K? 1%, man. That's all it is. 1% per trade. $10 to make $30. $1,000. That's it. Right? $10 to make $30. I need help. Well, we're here if you need help. I'm on my way, bro. You are the goal. I appreciate that. God bless. Another VWAP slap down, yeah. It's got to roll over eventually, man. We got trident pattern up at the highs here, rotation down. Still no trade for me. You do need the pain. You don't change. You don't make changes in your life until there's an emotional attachment to it. Let's be real. Until you have an emotional attachment, you'll still do the same stupid shit over and over again. Until she leaves you, right? Says you're useless, you know, says it looks like a button on a fur coat. Until you feel that, you ain't gonna change, man. You gotta want to change, but you also have to have that like emotional attachment to it. And that causes a reaction in you where you're like, okay, this is fucking it, man. I'm done. And then you take action towards that, right? Right? That's it. I mean, I used to make almost $2,000 a week as a carpenter in Sydney. It's doing pretty well. I had my own ute. I called it a ute, you see? Hilux. Right? We don't call it a ute in Canada. It's just a work truck. Right-hand drive. Fucking weird, man. I almost killed a couple people. Ran over some bin chickens in Australia. Oh, man. Yeah, I had a real ute, man. I'll show you my ute if you want to see it. I worked for, I still talk to my boss. He has the same birthday as me. Amazing person. He's from England. He's from England. This is who I used to work for, RA Group. God bless him. Brad, great person. I did this pool right here, Victor Street, Chatswood. I did this whole penthouse suite. There's my ute. I did this whole suite up here. I did this pool, man. I got pictures of me in this fucking pool. Doing this pool. There's my ute right there on the right. We did this house. Charmin. That was sweet. Yeah, man. Lots of jobs. Lots of fun, man. That was life. Did this whole Elizabeth Bay. That was really cool. We did the we did the opera house. Did some waterproofing in the opera house. That was pretty cool. But yeah, this is my ute right here. This one. That one right there. There it is. Alex driving the wrong side of the fucking road. Good times, man. Can I build you a house? Yeah, of course I can. Love the glass handrail. Yeah, some really cool. That was a really cool pool build. We did the whole inside of their condo too, and like refinished everything as well. But that penthouse was really cool. I spent like 9 months on that job. That was really cool. Lots of fun. Me and my boy Petey boy, man. He would say, "Hey, fair income can't." Every morning. Love my Aussies, man. Love my Aussies. Good times. Chop in the middle here, guys. Oh, good times. Anyways, that's enough out of me today, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you guys here for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, kicking ass, taking names. Up 700 today. Gonna jump into the Discord in half a second here. Thank you for supporting the channel. We will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Trade safe. God bless you. And I will see you guys in the Discord. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the